So now let's say we want to create a new calendar event. Let's say, for example, for that, I'm going to go to the week view right here, and then you see the week. So I can navigate along the week, as you can see, just like this. And in order to create an event, I can simply click to create an event, or I can click and drag on a spot right here to create an event just like this as well. So that is how I can define a time. So now what I can do is I can go around and add in a name for the event. Let's say, for example, I can say example event right here, just like this. And over here, you can see that I can set the date and time right here, just like this, as you can see, and set the event to all day as well, or add in different options. You can also add an alarm, as you can see, location and description right here. But this is something that we're going to see in upcoming videos. And if I were to click on save, then you can see that an event is created. You can also create an event by going around over here onto new event right here, just like this, and you get a new event option. So you can say, let's say something like a test event, and over here, I'm just going to go around and save up the same time right here, the default time, and click on save. And if I were to go around over here back just like this, over here, then you can see the test event right here, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can create a calendar event inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.